Zowie EC2, a reliable mouse for competitive gaming. Zowie EC2, a reliable mouse for competitive gaming. Gaming has become an increasingly popular hobby worldwide, with millions of players participating in competitive gaming tournaments. In the world of competitive gaming, every small advantage can make a difference between victory and defeat. One crucial aspect that players need to consider is their choice of gaming peripherals. Among these peripherals, the mouse plays a pivotal role in providing precise control and responsiveness, build quality and design. At first glance, the Zowie EC2 exhibits a sleek and minimalistic design. However, beneath its simple exterior lies a solidly constructed gaming mouse that can withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions. The EC2 features a durable plastic shell that feels robust in the hand. The mouse buttons have a satisfying click to them and are rated for millions of clicks, ensuring long-lasting durability. Tie. One notable aspect of the EC2's design is its ergonomic shape. It is designed for right-hand use, with a well-defined grip that fits comfortably in the hand. The slightly concave shape of the mouse accommodates the natural curve of the hand, improving overall comfort during extended gaming sessions. The mouse is also suitable for users with small to medium-sized hands, as its dimensions are neat. Her too large nor too small. Performance and customization. When it comes to gaming mice, performance is crucial. The Zowie EC2 excels in this area, offering a highly responsive and accurate tracking experience. It employs an optical sensor with a maximum dots per inch of 3,200, which can be adjusted in 5 different levels: 400, 800, 1,600, and 3,200 V for precision control. This range allows gamers to fine-tune their sensitivity preferences according to their playing style and game genre. Furthermore, the EC2 prioritizes reliability and consistency in its tracking performance. It boasts a low lift-off distance, which means that the cursor won't move unintentionally when lifting the mouse off the surface. This feature is crucial for gamers who frequently perform quick flicks or lift their mouse to readjust its position. The EC2 also has a high polling rate of 1000 Hz, ensuring a fast and responsive connection between the mouse and the computer. Another notable aspect of the EC2 is its lack of software customization. Unlike other gaming mice that come with complex software suites, the EC2 relies on a hardware-based approach for customization. All customization options are accessible through dedicated buttons located on the bottom of the mouse. While this may seem limiting, the absence of software eliminates potential compatibility issues and minimizes the mouse's footprint on system resources. It also ensures a plug-and-play experience, allowing gamers to use the mouse on any computer without having to install additional software. This simplicity is highly desirable for competitive gamers who prioritize stability and reliability in their gaming setup. Comfort and usability. Comfort and usability are crucial factors in choosing a gaming mouse, especially for extended gaming sessions. The Zowie EC2 excels in providing a comfortable experience through its ergonomic design and customizable grip. The surface texture of the mouse is slightly rough, providing a tactile feel that enhances grip and minimizes the chance of accidental slippage. Moreover, the EC2's shape allows As for a relaxed palm or claw grip, enabling gamers to find a comfortable hand position that reduces strain and fatigue during intense gaming sessions. The EC2 also features a convenient 2-button layout on its left side, suitable for gamers who prefer easy access to additional functions such as weapon switching or item activation. These buttons are carefully positioned to ensure that accidental presses are minimized while still being easily reachable. Price and availability. The Zowie EC2 is reasonably priced compared to other gaming mice on the market. While it may not feature the same level of customization as some higher-end models, its reliability and performance make it an excellent choice for competitive gamers. Additionally, the EC2 is readily available online and in gaming hardware stores, ensuring that gamers can easily get their hands on this reliable mouse. The Zowie EC2 is a powerful tool for competitive gaming, with its emphasis on build quality, design, performance, customization, comfort, and usability. Its sleek and minimalistic design hides a strong and durable structure that can endure intense gaming sessions. The ergonomic shape and well-defined grip provide a comfortable experience, especially during long gaming sessions. The EC2's performance is outstanding, offering precise and accurate tracking with its adjustable P levels. Its low liftoff distance and high polling rate ensure reliability and quick response. While lacking software recustomization, the EC2's hardware-based approach eliminates potential compatibility issues and allows for a plug-and-play experience. The mouse's customizable grip and convenient button layout their enhanced comfort and usability. With its reasonable price and widespread availability, the Zowie EC2 is a top choice for competitive gamers who want a reliable and effective gaming mouse. The Zowie EC2 has gained a reputation for being a reliable mouse for competitive gaming. Its exceptional build quality and ergonomic design make it a top choice among professional gamers. The mouse features a sleek and minimalistic design that belies its durable construction. The buttons have a satisfying click and are rated for millions of clicks, ensuring longevity. The EC2's ergonomic design is another standout feature. It is designed for right-hand use and has a well-defined grip that fits comfortably in the hand. The mouse's slightly concave shape accommodates the natural curve of the hand, providing enhanced comfort during long gaming sessions. The mouse is also suitable for users with small to medium-sized hands, thanks to its well-balanced dimensions. In terms of performance and customization, the Zowie EC2 excels. The EC2 prioritizes reliability and consistency in its tracking performance. It comes with a low liftoff distance, preventing unintentional